In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use AI as a local business. So follow alongside till the end. First of all, make sure that you are using your favorite browser and head and search google.com. Right here, search ChatGPT. After that, make sure that you are going for the first link. So for example, this says ChatGPT Pro with internet. This is not the right one. Search for openai.com, not this right Sonic. So click on it. And that's about it. After it's done, you can see right here that we have trained a model called ChatGPT. Interacts in a conversational way, makes it possible to answer follow-up questions, admits mistakes, corrects premises, and rejects inappropriate requests. It's literally AI, guys. It's amazing. It can help you as a local business to grow very, very fast in a small amount of time, which is really, really amazing. How, you might ask, you can use it? Well, it's pretty simple to use it. It's actually free. But just keep in mind, it might be at capacity, which if it is, because it gained 1 million users in about 1 month, which is crazy. It's literally a crazy number. Once you have done that, click on Try ChatGPT right here, and then you'll be prompted with this page. Right here, if you already have an account, click on Login. If you don't, click on Sign Up. After the sign up process is prompted to you, you can type "I'm not a robot," do the questions, as you can see right here, for example, traffic lights, and then click on verify. Make sure to also prompt your right email address. Then you can either use Google or Microsoft. In this case, I'm going to use Google. Click on my account, and then from my account right here, I'm going to be able to be provided with ChatGPT. I'm going to enter my phone number, and they will be good to go. Once that, you can start asking ChatGPT your problems as a local business. For example, you are struggling to land clients. What will you do? Well, go ahead, ask ChatGPT, and it will tell you what to do. For example, it will tell you go search in LinkedIn, go search for leads in somewhere else than what you are already doing, or optimize your ads. It will literally give you a step-by-step checklist for you to do and for you to improve yourself as a local business. Goodbye.